Pill Identifier and Pill Pictures. PEPID's Pill Identifier allows you to search the PEPID database to identify pills based on any number of characteristics. Within your suite of choice, select the Pill Identifier icon. You can search pills based on imprint, score, shape, and color. This is especially helpful when the patient only remembers a few of the things about the medication they are on. First, let's type an imprint. Say we only remember one side of the pill, and the numbers 9 and 3. You can input multiple individual numbers, or multiple sets of numbers by simply inserting a semicolon in between the sets. Now let's select a score. Let's say that our pill has a score down the center, so we'll select 2. You can see that as we add in additional characteristics of the pill, the number of pills that fit the description shrinks. Our patient remembers that the pill is oval-shaped and blue, but doesn't remember a second color. That's okay. We'll select oval and blue and leave color 2 blank. Our results are now a manageable 18 matches to ID the pill from. Let's select the right arrow. Results will be populated with all possible results. By clicking on these pictures, we can access all of the drug information. To find pill pictures, let's search amoxicillin in the search field. This will take us to the Drugs content page. From there, click on the Pill Pictures quick link.